So her grandfather dubbed her, and I quote, his superstar after hearing her belt out a Dionne Warwick song one morning using her hairbrush as a microphone. We invite Sharee Elise, actor, singer, and painter, a true creative spirit, to talk to us. Yes, welcome, Sharee.
Hi. How you doing, guys?
We're doing good. You
I
look
ju-
lovely.
I just want to know how you wake up and look so fabulous for the Saturday morning.
Tell him. I
So
woke up
you
like
have to have a talk with God.
Amen, amen. Amen, sister, amen.
Sorry, what's been going on with you? Because, a long time I don't see you, long
I
time.
know, right? Long time. Theater lockdown from last March. So, we have to dig deep and find other avenues and other ways of creating. And it's been a journey.
Yeah, I mean, I think about you guys all the time because now would be that time of the year where plays are running Sunday to Sunday, two shows back to back. And
I know. It's been a major adjustment, trust me. A lot of us have been traveling, doing our thing virtually. We have a lot of other avenues now that we are actually, looking at, and it seems to be paying off well. So that's a plus for being in this pandemic because we find other avenues
Definitely.
to.
Yeah, pivoting. Everybody's pivoting for their lives as creatives.
Right.
So we introduced you as his superstar. So I want you to break down the his for me. Who is the his in your life? And tell us the impact the his has had on you. His. Yes, there
My
he is.
granddaddy, he
There he is.
passed away a few years ago, and he raised me. Born and raised in Falmouth, Trelawney. My mom had to go out and do her thing, try to embark on her own career, and he took me under his wing, his little girl. And actually, the house was full of girls because I have like 4 aunts, and we all had fun. Falmouth, my born and grow.
see, and that's what I was hoping to hear when we started the interview. Falmouth, my barn and grow. Because,
Yeah.
because that's who you are, It doesn't, you don't lose that.
No. I was thinking the other day, I told somebody, I was raised on a farm, basically. We had pigs, we had chickens, we had rabbits.
Nobody would believe you, Nobody would believe you. Nobody.
I know. People
love
think
the
I'm
pigs
from
and the
uptown, but I am not.
I love it.
I know the struggles.
Yeah, what was it like? What was that like with your grandpa growing up on the farm in a house full of creative people? What was it like?
Well, it was awesome actually. I learned so many life lessons because now I can, as you said, pivot. I can pivot because you meet a lot of adversities trying to raise your own animals and do all kind of things. I was the one who was sent up in the trees to pick the apples and the mangoes.
Sharee, no.
You have to climb the trees.
Self-sufficient.
No.
I love it. Climb trees.
So some people are talking about you don't know if to scale fish and you know if to do that and you know if to cook it. You have to learn to do them things from young. So
Yeah.
Young.
that's
like
what
it.
happened for me, and it built me inwardly and outwardly. Yeah.
See, Sharee, I see that you're a creative spirit. And like we said, you can paint, you can sing, you can dance, you can act. But I want to talk a moment about the pandemic, particularly as a creative. How has it affected you personally? And what did you do to kind of get through, get by, overcome? What were your tactics?
Oh well. Oh my gosh.
I know, that's a big one. I know.
I thought it was really crazy. I said, they're joking, right? This is like not happening. This is like you close the theaters. Are you serious? I've never ever experienced something like this, and I was homebound for a long time, and then I started going, having cabin fever.
Yep.
And then I discovered, okay, not really discovered. I started to do a little painting from time to time, and then I said, okay, let me delve into this a little more. So every day I would try to do my paintings and just make it soothe me. And then somebody saw one and said, oh, I like that. How much is it? And I'm like, what do you mean, how much? And I'm like, that one in particular, this yellow tree, oh my God. Somebody said, I love it. How much is it? And I'm like, it's I didn't even know. So I had to look up how to price paintings, and then they bought one, and somebody else bought another one, and it was good.
Is that one of your paintings behind you?
Yes, this is one of them right here behind me now
Lovely.
that I have, and I like the abstracts, because I'm not confined. I hate being confined.
Of
Like I
course.
have to stay within the lines and do all of that. So I love the abstract work. Those splash painting and make it go where you want to go.
You're
So
creative. You
that's
can't be
good.
boxed in. You know what I mean? So I get you. I get
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
This whole COVID 19, the whole pandemic seems to have sharpened you more than you would have imagined, because a lot of people, they're stuck at home and they're not doing anything. But you've sharpened other skills because you've not been on stage for a little while, so you've sharpened other skills. But what do you miss most about being on stage? Because I know what I miss most about you being on stage.
That's a good
It is
question.
so weird that you ask, because right before the pandemic, I actually was at this point where I was getting a little tired, and saying, boy, I don't know if I can do this for that much longer, and and trying to find other avenues. And then when it hit, and after a while, I'm like, I miss the stage. I want to perform.
Yeah.
I miss people talking back to me. I miss interacting. I miss creating these amazing characters, and I miss rehearsals. I never even thought I'd say that.
Yeah. And rehearsals is always
I
the
miss
best
it
in a
all.
play. Yeah, for
And I
sure.
miss that, camaraderie, that community, and it helps to build people. I mean, no man is an island. No man really know why them say that.
For
Trust
real.
me.
It's true.
It's an island experience. It's not pretty.
And
Speaking
And I
of
know a lot of people
characters,
have struggled over the
right.
time. I know a lot of people have passed away, not only because of COVID, but because they cannot handle the pressure. And
Yes, that's
it
true.
has manifested as, different illnesses. And that's the sad part about it.
Definitely, definitely. Speaking of characters, you're involved in a play called Windscreen Posse. And it's pop, 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 pop. Yes, we have other persons that's been involved in it as well. I won't go into that, but it's gone viral. Tell us about that process for you, experiencing that. What was that like?
Which process? Sorry, I didn't hear that.
Windscreen Posse, it's gone
Oh,
viral
yes,
ever
Green
since you
Screen
guys,
Posse. Oh my
yeah.
God. A lot of people, as you know, we have the Sakina there, we have Glenn Titus Campbell, we have Courtney Wilson, we have David Crosgill, Keisha Patterson. We are doing it well. Patrick Brown wrote and directed this play. It was great. It was an amazing experience on the stage. That's when the theater closed in the middle of it, and a lot of people were asking. A lot of people have bought tickets, and we had to give them back their money and all of that, because we do those performances where we sell out the houses before
Yeah.
time,
Yeah, the benefits.
and we had to give them back their money. But this, as I said, this virtual stage is a blessing. So we tried it out for Mother's Day, and then Father's Day coming now. We're going to do it again.
Good.
They really got some good feedback from the Mother's Day experience. So
Good.
Father's Day, it's back on the stage virtually. People can go to go.carrotix.center stage and can buy their tickets. And of course, you can buy, this is a plus. You buy one ticket and the whole family can watch it. When you have to go on stage, everybody have to buy one. So now you can just purchase one ticket, and everybody can watch it on one of
TV.
their smart TVs or wherever they want to watch it on, computer,
or from my phone,
I'm a phone,
Yeah.
from a
right?
smartphone.
Like a device, right? Just in the kitchen, just to watch it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the good thing too is that the diaspora is able to tune in when they can't come to Jamaica and watch it and come to everybody's like, oh, it's lacking of the culture, and it's now brought to them in their living room, and them can enjoy it.
Yeah.
Excellent.
That's
Well, I'll be watching it again. I watched it on Mother's Day. I watched it live, and I have to watch because I have to support my girl. I have to support Sakina, support you guys,
you're
because
watching again. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, man.
So everybody knows it's $14.99 and US
Yeah,
or the
man.
Jamaican equivalent. So it's not that bad to have 10 people.
That's
You
a
want to
good
get a
price.
10 people to watch one time
that's
for
a good price.
$14.99. It's amazing.
yeah. So thank you so much, Sharee Elise. I really miss seeing you guys on the stage, and I pray and I hope that sooner rather than later we have another new play that we can enjoy
Yes,
as a
I think
community.
It's gonna be sooner. It's definitely gonna be
Yes, I
sooner.
feel it
It's
in my
gonna
spirit.
open up, and
Yeah.
we're gonna have an amazing one. Because
Yeah.
I know Patrick Brown is writing something.
He's scheming. He have something up his
Something's
sleeves,
coming.
man.
Something hot. I love
Put
it.
top all Patrick Brown, please.
Yeah. All right. So let's support our creatives this Father's Day and watch Windscreen Posse on their virtual platform. Thank you so much, Sharee, for chatting with us, and keep on painting, keep on singing, and we'll touch base soon.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah,
Thank
Bless
you.
up.
more weekend smile after the break.